he might take like he might go right in. I take this.
So okay, so
I'm saying to you, take these things for a joke.
Okay, no. So I'll just do it again. So we'll practice right now. Okay. So hey, hi, how are you?
Hey, hi, how are you? Yeah. Yeah, welcome back again, guys. I want to tell me if this right. Understand what I say? So, my day are back with a video, but I don't know if I should call this a prank or not. You understand? Today, when me and my wife there at Superstore, you know, we're on the weight loss diet, right? So, we go get some green vegetables to make our juice and so forth like that. So, today, when there at Superstore, something out of the blue happened. I not expect. You understand? Or I don't know if I because I just sit with my wife before. You understand? So she see an old friend, and that old friend what she see, you understand? You know, like a reunite session or whatever the case is. You understand the hug up thing. You understand? And I personally feel like that hug was just not. It was just a hug out of the norm, whatever the case is, and I feel like say, but you don't want to just sit right there and then, but I never want to spoil the mood, right? So, I'm sorry, you know what? I just sit on the camera and see how it did that turn out and see what this guy is to her, who is him, or whatever the case is. So you guys just stay tuned while I adjust it on the camera. I want tell me if I'm wrong for adjust it, right? Because it's an old friend and them hug up and understand, you know, me over one side and me I look at me I say, I don't think it's right. You understand? And knowing me I adjust it right there and then, but guess what? I never adjust it right there and then, you know, something come to me and say, alright, listen, when we reach home, I adjust it like big people, like two big people. So stay tuned for it, guys, and see how it turn out. Remember, guys, like, comment, share, and subscribe while and turn the notification bell on so you get all the necessary uploads. Alright, see you guys. Guys, I'm gonna call her out now, so you guys stay tuned for it. Babe! Come in. You're looking so pretty, girl. Where you going? You're just looking so nice today.
I have to go to the doctor and the specialist for my knee.
Everything's sweet.
Thank you.
Beautiful, nice.
How are you doing?
Good. I'm just going to talk to you about something. We've been there for mine and it's just a sit well with me. I'm gonna feel like we do adjust it. Won't get back home. So, do you remember you did nothing out of the norm today? Remember you did nothing out there now?
No.
Do you remember like check back from go up on the road to come back home, or do you remember nothing at all we did? Where you out of the night waiting wouldn't sit well with me, like waiting could I like be a bother to me of some sort?
No, I don't remember anything. What I do?
So they today in a superstore when you see a friend and you see you guys run and hug up like this. It just never sit well with me because the hug to me, listen, to me the hug was more than just the hug, and I never really like it. I never like it, you understand me? I say the hug was a little bit too long. It looked a little bit more like, you know, it wasn't like a church hug where yeah, it's like more of a hey, how are you? Haven't seen you in a long while, and you know what I mean? And but just it feel like I over that side and wait, when me I say to him, I feel like me over that side and you totally forget that I'm in the store with you. You totally forget that we're shopping. And that's what I say, I never feel like this old friend or whatever the case is should have for some reason make you did talk so long and like you totally forget about me.
Babe, you know I was here for 4 years, right? I know a lot of people. Not a lot, I know. And I'm a huggy person. That's who I. You know me. You knew me. You knew that when you met me. You knew that when you married me. Well, I'm sorry if I hurt your feelings in any way or made you feel any kind of way, but you know you can look through my phone whenever you want. I never talk to anyone like. I don't ever text anyone or talk to anyone. Like.
Oh, I don't know if it's the right thing I'm doing or the wrong thing, but I'm pretty sure like I talked to you about the whole hugging situation before. Like, wait, let me say, I'm pretty sure I talked to you about the whole hugging situation before, and me personally tell you, just me, I tell you, I don't like it. And understand, I don't like any guy hugging on to my woman, and I feel like say, if I'm my husband, I can respect that, right? I just like personally, I just feel like say, yeah, you should be able to can respect my decision until I say I don't like no guy hugging on to you. And that's what I say. And if you don't like something about Akeen is not gonna do it. And that's what I say. I am not going to do it.
Okay. I'm from Newfoundland.
Yes, baby.
And I'm really friendly, and I've always been that way, where I'm huggy and you know, and it's hard for me to just get that out of my system. Like when I meet someone and I haven't seen them in a long time and they come to hug me and I hug them, it's like I don't think, oh, I can't hug him because my husband is like, I don't know, that's just not the thought that comes to my head.
To be honest with you, babe, I don't stop you from hugging, but as me I said, this hug look like it go more, or to me it just go further than just a hug. This guy is hugging on to you. This is how it goes. He's hugging on to you like this. Like, I don't understand. And you understand what I mean? It's like
I'm sorry, babe. No, you're right. I shouldn't be hugging guys like that. You're right. But it didn't mean anything. A hug is a hug. But I'm not conversing with this person. You know what I mean? I've known him like ever since I got here. And I did introduce you to him. I did.
But when I say no, me no. If you want that, okay, hug me every day. Like if you want 3, 4, 5, hug me every day.
Okay.
I don't want you to go out and hug.
Okay, so show me what to do. So let's say a guy comes to me, right?
Yeah.
And he hugs me. Go ahead, just pretend. Oh hi. Oh hi. Like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good, baby. I don't want to. You understand what I say? He might take like he might go right in. I take this.
So okay. So
I'm saying to you, take these things for a joke.
Okay, no. So I'll just do it again. So we'll practice right now. Okay. So hey, hi, how are you?
Hey, hi, how are you? Yeah. That's how it is. I don't want it.
Okay.
Everything you take for a joke, babe. I'm serious.
No, I
Listen, where I'm coming from, babe. Where I come from. I'm coming from a place called Jamaica, right?
Yes.
And Jamaican man is very, very jealous of their women, right? You understand? Because listen to me, when we go out or wherever we're going, you have to be glowing. You understand? So in myself, that's my queen. You understand what I say? And you represent me.
Mm-hmm.
So you be going on now and hugging on to somebody else, baby. It's just gonna get me like, I don't feel away because you're hugging to this person over here. So, and listen, I could have been disrespectful in that case and just break it up. But I mean, I said, yes, yo, me, I hold my composure because I don't want to come off in a bad light then, or a bad sense then. You understand what I say? So that's the reason why I'm saying, you know what? I'm not going to address it in a superstore, but I rather come home and address it with you. You understand what I say? Because we're big people, right? And for me, you know, just get up and make you feel disrespected. It just don't sit well with my babe. So that's why I look for you and come home and say, listen, go to the hugging situation. I don't like another man hugging on to my woman. You understand what I say?
Okay.
But that's not, it can sit well with me. I don't like it. And mother, like if you just listen and agree to what me I say and just, yeah. And I say, babe, so that was my thing, and you understand, like, I don't think in other case if we do something where I'm gonna make me feel bad or make me feel jealous or understand me, I say make me feel like I am lowered.
Babe, you're the most handsome man in Campbell River. I'm so honored to have you as my husband. So trust me. You have nothing to be jealous about. I am crazy about you. You are my husband. I thank God every day for you. And I don't want to hurt you. I don't want to make you feel
Yeah, so
bad or
that's the
anything. So
reason
I'm
why-
sorry.
And I accept your apology.
Okay.
But now I ask you not to do it again. This is the second time where I adjust this.
It's okay, you have to realize it's difficult
Yeah,
for
but you
me.
know why people keep doing this? Because you're so pretty, you're so handsome. There's so much woman in a superstore. When you see, there's so much woman there. Why I don't see other women getting hugs like this? Every day, people just want to hug on my woman. That's my property. That's not theirs. You understand what I say? So I would like for you, babe, if it's a church hug, I understand you don't really want nobody to feel down or whatever the case is. But a church hug is good enough. You understand? Next man hug on my property. Oh my God, you understand? If you want 40 hug for the day, baby.
You're gonna give it to me?
Yeah, 40 hug. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. You know, babe, I love you and I love you. I love you to a point where when you really want to disrespect your heart, make you feel lower of your self-esteem and none of that. So that's why I'm gonna try and you changed me a lot. You understand what I say? I never know a woman could have changed me so. Because where I'm coming from, babe, I'm really coming from a dark place. You understand what I say? And if one time I get so mad already and things just escalate, but I'm trying to do it another differently. I'm trying to take a different approach since I meet you because I respect you as my wife. You understand what I say? And you represent me likewise. You understand? So that's how I look on life and that's the reason why I'm saying, you know what? I'm going to take a different approach to it. And that's what I'm saying. So yeah, I mean, you know, I love you, baby. And, you smell so good, so you look beautiful. And that's what I'm saying. So yeah, and when you tell me one, guys, look how she looks sweet. She's going to the doctor. And that's what I'm saying. So she's going to, where you going? To the doctor?
I gotta go see the specialist.
Yeah, so she's going to see the specialist, guys, and she's looking
For my
beautiful.
knee, finally I
So-
get to get some results for my knee.
Yeah, she's looking fine and lovely, and I understand, but I was going to adjust it. I was so tempted to adjust it in the store, babe, but I'm gonna say, you know what? I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna adjust it on the camera. So that's what we did, and I don't think it's a prank. I just feel like say like stuff like this, you know, it's. Let me see it till I play out. You understand? I'm gonna just decide to do it that way here, and yeah, but yeah, babe, I'd like for you to take a different approach going forward where that is concerned. Because guys, to be honest with you, there's plenty of women in the store. I don't say any of them is getting no hug, but I don't know something about my wife. I don't know if it's onion or what. She keep attracting all these guys to her, and then she's trying to play a good role and giving everyone hugs. I don't like it. I hate it. You understand what I mean? So I rather to adjust it.
But I'll get better.
Yes.
So I just gotta practice how to do it. So hi.
Yeah, like a little church hug. I mean, tell me if you guys agree with me. I understand what I say. Hey guys, so just remember, like, share, comment and subscribe, and remember turn the notification bell on so you get all necessary upload. We enjoy you guys. We see the comments, we see the likes, and yeah, see you guys on the next one. Peace out.
Ireland boss, and I represent for Akeen and Jenn. And you know them YouTube channels, so I tell you no, and I say no, if you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The pass wasn't clear. No tables are turned with about half dozen cheer. You know what I mean?